Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a new video, this time checking out the collab between Crash Bandicoot and Champion. Let's get it. Crash was definitely one of my favorite games growing up, so when I seen this collab I had to get a shirt. This collab is still in stock, so get one before they're gone. Also, at the time of this upload, there's a current promotion going on with 25% off your order for the Friends and Family campaign going on right now. This collab promotes Crash Bandicoot 4 It's About Time, a recent Crash game for Xbox and PlayStation 4. The shirt features a Champion logo bordered with Tiki and Aku Aku designs. Aku Aku is a character in the game. Also on the shirt is a Crash Bandicoot graphic print. The shirt is made of 100% cotton and is made in Haiti. The shirt definitely feels firm and will probably last for a while. It might fade as well, but that's really with any black clothing. Also, check out this super fast way to fold shirts. Am I doing it right? That's it for this video guys. Let me know what you think of this collab and what I should review or check out next. And as always, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you in the next vid.